Hi, I'm Angelina Francisco, and here's my learning outcome video on metabolic processes, where we will describe the linked pathways of metabolism. Metabolism is how the body obtains and uses energy. The chemical reactions happening in the body's cells change the food into energy. Like all chemical reactions, metabolic reactions need energy. Activation energy is the energy required to start the reaction. There are specific proteins in the body that control the chemicals reactions for metabolism. Enzymes are those specific proteins that speed up the rate for the reaction. And there are two types of metabolic reactions and pathways, called anabolism and catabolism. For anabolism, energy is required to build smaller molecules into larger ones. An anabolic process is dehydration synthesis, where it can connect simple sugar molecules into larger molecules of glycogen. This stores energy in their chemical bond. Here are some anabolic reactions, which includes complex carbs synthesized from monosaccharides, triglycerides synthesized from glycerol and fatty acids, and proteins synthesized from amino acids. For catabolism, energy is released when larger molecules are broken down into smaller ones. The catabolic process is called hydrolysis, which is the reverse of dehydration synthesis. Hydrolysis can decompose carbohydrates, triglycerides, and proteins, and a water molecule is consumed for every bond that is broken. Here are some catabolic reactions reversed to the anabolic ones that include complex carbohydrates decomposed into monosaccharides, triglycerides decomposed into glycerol and fatty acids, and proteins broken down into amino acids. There are subgroups for metabolic reactions and pathways. There is intermediary metabolism, which is a process that obtains, releases, and uses energy. You can also classify metabolic reactions by their necessity, like primary and secondary metabolites. Primary metabolites are products of metabolism essential to survival, and secondary metabolites are not essential for survival, but they can give an advantage or an enhancement. Thanks for watching my learning outcome video on metabolic processes while I describe linked pathways of metabolism.